What's up, food surfers? It's Eric Surf 6. Welcome to Eric Mealtime. In today's episode, we are looking for vending machines. Let's go find some. Alrighty, we've arrived at the place. Let's go get some. Here we go. 7-Eleven. Oh yeah. A bunch of snack stuff here. Ooh. Sandwiches, nice, nice, nice. All right, got the goods. Let's go find a place to eat. Traveling by mountain bike today. Ooh, we got food trucks. Have to do these next time. Look at all these food trucks. Oh yeah. Definitely gonna have to do a video of these. Didn't know there's so many of them. Awesome. Alrighty, 7-Eleven vending machines meal. Let's get into it. First item is the tuna sandwich, a tuna roll. They're calling it a tuna salad. Here's a look at it. So basically it's just tuna and mayonnaise. I don't think anything else is in this, but I'll let you know. Very refreshing, nicely chilled. There is a little bit of crunch to it. Perhaps there's a little bit of celery or onion, just a little bit. And yeah, I would call it a salad, tuna salad. Tuna salad roll for sure. It's simple, very simple. Yeah. Good, it's a winner. To drink today, we are having out of the sky Red Bull. Red Bull sugar-free. I rarely drink this stuff, but I do like it. Yeah. Cheers. Team, get some. Boom. Just want to hit the lens on my GoPro. Boom. Sugar-free, but oh, so sweet. Nice flavor, though. It's almost like a raspberry. I know it's not raspberry, but very tangy. That's good. Next up, let's go for one of the sandwiches. This is chicken and egg with teriyaki sauce. And it's nice that 7-Eleven does the English on it too. 7-Eleven Japan, thanks for that. Almost all of their items have English written on them, so very English friendly. There's a look at it. This is a pretty nice deluxe sandwich for a very reasonable price. 313 yen, including tax. It's $2 and something. Oh yeah. That is tasty. Very nice. Tasting that egg salad and the teriyaki. Good flavors going on. And the white bread is just, it's so soft in Japan. Again, no crust. There's never any crust on the sandwiches in Japan that are sold at convenience stores. That is a good sandwich. Moving on, we've got the spaghetti roll, or it's called yakisoba roll, I think, in Japanese. Fried noodle roll. Check it out. This is a classic. Fried noodles are pretty good in Japan by themselves. On a roll, a little bit of seaweed flakes, nori seaweed flakes on top there too. Okay. Oh. Better than I had expected. These noodles are good. And it's kind of a darker roll, which is nice. The bread goes together more than like a hot dog bun. That is tasty. Next up, check this thing out. I've never seen this in a vending machine. They're calling it the salad chicken bar. Or the chicken salad bar. That's just weird, huh? Okay. And oh, here's the English. Smoked salad chicken bar with black pepper. Okay, that sounds better, doesn't it? Okay. This is kind of exciting. It's always exciting to find new stuff. Yep. Easy peel right there to open it. I like that. Ready to eat foods. 7-Eleven Japan, way to go. I see the pepper on it there. Give it the smell test. Ooh, smoky for sure. Yeah, all right. Oh my. A lovely texture on the meat. Chicken. It's like a sausage almost. I guess it is a sausage when it's shaped like this, isn't it? And it's peppery for sure. It's not as smoky as it could be. It's pretty mellow. But I like the texture though. Kind of chewiness of the inside and the crunchiness to the outside. It's a good product. Okay, moving on. We've got another sandwich here. This is the tuna salad, ham, lettuce, egg, and sauce. Kind of similar to the first one, right? No, the first one was teriyaki chicken and egg. But they do look the same. This one, how is, oh, okay, I see. This one is separated into 3. Okay, 3 separate sandwiches. Okay, so we'll do the egg salad first. Perfection. It's just so simple. Delish though. It's got the half-boiled egg there, soft-boiled egg. Oh, creamy goodness. And again, the white bread is just so soft. Oh my. Okay, next. This is the ham and cheese with lettuce. Ham, cheese, and lettuce. Pretty simple. got mayonnaise. I like this one. I like that this one's got mostly lettuce. It's got a good crunch. Generally, you're not going to get much meat on a Japanese sandwich. That's just the way they roll. But the price is so cheap, you can just buy several of them and definitely get filled up. And the last one is the tuna salad. Tuna salad. This is the way to eat tuna salad right here, for sure. Not on the roll. You want it on this white bread, for sure. All right, let's do it. Oh, the creaminess. Japanese tuna salad. And egg salad. They're really the best. At number 1 and 2 for sure. Moving on, this is called Chicken Ramen Snack. I believe it's a snack. Uh-oh. Or are you supposed to add hot water? Oh, this might be a massive fail. I'm really not sure. It says 0 BO, 0 seconds to eat it. But that means you're not putting water in it. Oh my. Oh. Okay, this is a strange one. Dried ramen, flavored and ready to eat. Oh. It's super salty. And dry. Oh, this is weird. This is really weird. What are they thinking? I mean, it's done by the Nissin Company, which is Japan's #1 ramen brand. So, it's too salty. And messy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to ask my son about this one, see what he thinks. Yeah, I think definitely that's a Japanese flavor going on there. Oh goodness. Okay, let's wash that down. Dried ramen. And there's a sauce on it too that's just, ugh. Okay, let's finish off this meal with some chocolate. We've got some Black Thunder chocolate. This is one of my favorite brands in Japan. I put these in to get some snack packs, the Black Thunders. So, let's check it out. These are like the little small minis. And let's see what it looks like. It's like a cookie, a sweet chocolate cookie covered in chocolate. Oh, got 2 of them stuck together. Bonus. Oh yeah. So the items in the machine, it was 2 machines actually, and I feel like the items were very bread heavy today, right? A lot of breads. There were no rice balls, which is kind of odd for a Japanese vending machine like that, 7-Eleven. I would have liked to have had 1 rice dish or something. Well, it is what it is. This Black Thunder chocolate is so good. Oh, I find that the less often I eat chocolate, the better it tastes when you do eat it. And that goes for a lot of things that you like. If you eat stuff that you like too often, then it's not that good anymore when you have it. However, you eat it seldom. When you do have it, it's special. It's a treat and it tastes amazing. Yeah. So anyway, that's my 2 cents and I'm sticking to it. So that's going to do it for this video, you guys. I would like to thank you for watching. Give a like to the video if you enjoyed it. And I still need to rate this meal. Not sure how I'm going to rate it. It's not a 6 because there weren't any rice balls. I really wanted to eat a rice ball or 2. So I'm going to go 5 out of 6 today. 5 out of 6. That's what it is. So I look forward to reading your comments, and we will see you in the next one. Eric, out.